we're discussing about outbreak. Again, let me continue about Lucknow. Okay, now a rebellion erupted in Oudh. Oudh is also called as, remember here, Oudh. It is also called as a OUDH, Oudh. So, Lucknow rebellion erupted in Oudh, or it is also known as Oudh. The king of Lucknow, he was Wajid Ali Shah. Wajid Ali Shah and his queen was Ajrat Mahal. Remember that is. So based on that, the maladministration or bad administration, British East India Company decided to capture Lucknow. And also that one more reason, Wajid Ali was died. When the Wajid Ali was died, so his queen Ajrat Mahal, she adopted a son named Birjis Qadar. So Birjis Qadar was that adopted son, and he came to power in the name of Birjis Qadar. Wajid Ali Shah's queen Ajrat Mahal continued the administration. When British came to capture Lucknow based on that doctrine of lapse and the bad administration. So this is so due to that Ajrat Mahal, she bravely fought against British East India Company. So British East India Company army was led by General Lawrence. General Henry Lawrence brought huge army force to capture Lucknow region. So the Lucknow administration or Oudh administration looked over by Ajrat Mahal as a regent of Birjis Qadar. Finally, Lucknow came under the control of Britishers. After that, Lucknow, next region was Jhansi. As well knew that Jhansi was important empire in Madhya Pradesh. A queen of Jhansi, she was Rani Lakshmi Bai. So Rani Lakshmi Bai, the popularly called as a Jhansi Rani Lakshmi Bai. So Jhansi Rani Lakshmi Bai's husband was Gangadhar Rao. The king was Gangadhar Rao, and they adopted Damodar Rao as the son. The Rani of Jhansi, began to recruit troops. The troops under that inspiring guidance of Rani Lakshmi Bai and offered a stiff. Rani Lakshmi Bai offered stiff resistance against that Britishers. So British, the army was led under the leadership of Sir Hughes Rose. Remember that is. So here, British army led by Sir Hughes Rose. He led the Hughes army to capture Jhansi. So Jhansi Rani Lakshmi Bai, she was not ready to leave any territory reason to British East India Company. So British East India Company, they wanted to capture Jhansi region based on doctrine of lapse. So that the army was led by Sir the Hughes Rose. So there Lakshmi Bai defeated in the battlefield. So Jhansi came under the control of Britishers. So when Jhansi came under the control of Britishers, Lakshmi Bai, she fled to Kalpi. So Kalpi, and also she asked the help of Tantia Topi. Remember that is Tantia Topi. He was the commander-in-chief of Nana Sahib. Question is, who was the commander-in-chief of Nana Sahib? Was Tantia Topi. Tantia Topi helped Lakshmi Bai in Jhansi. So Jhansi came under the control of British. Later, once again, Tantia Topi and Lakshmi Bai, both they were defeated in Kalpis. And finally, see, Jhansi and Lakshmi Bai succeeded to capture Gwalior region. The Hughes War took place against British and Jhansi Rani Lakshmi Bai in the Gwalior region. When Gwalior captured by the Jhansi and Lakshmi Bai, so British again they wanted to capture Gwalior region. In the Hughes battlefield, the heroic woman Jhansi Rani Lakshmi Bai, she fought that Britishers. attire and riding a horse. Remember that is she tied her adopted son on back. She ride a horse and she fought the British force. Attire and riding a horse. So finally, is on 17 June 1857, the Gwalior region came under the control of British. The legend, the brave woman, heroic woman, Jhansi Rani Lakshmi Bai, the bravely fought against the British. And finally, solved the reason Lakshmi Bai's territories that came under the control of British East India Company. So Jhansi, Kalki, Gwalior, the whole region came under the control of British. But in the battlefield, heroic woman, she was died or the passed away in the battlefield. So later, again, so etc. A number of Indian kings in North India revolted against that Britishers. A great Jamindar, he was Kanwar Singh of Jagadishpur in Uttar Pradesh. So, sorry, not Uttar Pradesh. A Kanwar Singh of Jagadishpur in Bihar, he revolted against that Britishers. So, because as per that subsidiary alliance and as per the doctrine of lapse, Bihar region they tried to capture. So, after that, Kanwar Singh, next ruler, a king of Rohilkhand was Khan Bahadur. So Khan Bahadur also fought against the British and he also defeated the battlefield Rohilkhand region, Patna region, Bihar region and Chota Nagpur Plateau region also came under the control of Britishers. And one more person, a king of Sambalpuri was Sundar Pai. He also revolted. Like that, British with their policies, with their military skill, with their war techniques, with the help of modern weapons, they captured the whole regions. Almost all North Indian regions came under the control of British East India Company. It was the outbreak of the first war of Indian independence. Barakpur first region, next Meerut, Delhi, Kanpur, Lucknow, Jhansi, Bihar, Rohilkhand, Sambalpur, or that, etc. Not only these, like that, a number of empires, kingdoms came under the control of East Indian companies. So this is in the next period, in the next class, we'll discuss about that causes of the failure of 1857 revolt.